If you're having trouble signing into Evernote, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. These are simple troubleshooting methods that can solve common Evernote login problems, whether the issue is with your browser, your password, or the way your account was created. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the first fix, and that is turning off your VPN. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, it can sometimes interfere with Evernote's login system and make it look like your credentials are not working. So disconnect any active VPN, refresh the Evernote sign-in page, and then try signing in again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem right away. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or built-in browser shields like Brave Shields, can block parts of the Evernote login page from loading correctly. Open your browser's extensions page and temporarily turn off anything that might interfere with the site. After that, reload the Evernote page and try signing in again. Now, let's move on to clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause login errors. Open your browser's settings, go to Privacy and Security, and look for the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you clear both cookies and cached images and files. Once that's done, restart the browser completely, return to Evernote, and try logging in again. If you still can't get in, the next step is to reset your password. Go to the Evernote sign-in page and click Forgot Password. Enter the email address associated with your account, then check your inbox for the password reset message. Open the email, create a new password, and then return to Evernote and sign in using the updated password. This is especially helpful if you simply forgot your login details or if your old password is no longer working. Another important thing to check is the correct sign-in method. If you originally created your Evernote account using Google or Apple, you should not try to log in with a separate password first. Instead, click Continue with Google or Continue with Apple, depending on how your account was created. Also, if two-step verification is enabled on your account, you'll need to open your authenticator app and enter the verification code when prompted. Without that code, the login will not complete. So if you're stuck on an Evernote login problem, go through these fixes one by one. Turn off your VPN, disable extensions, clear cache and cookies, reset your password if needed, and make sure you're using the correct sign-in method. These steps solve most login issues without needing anything more advanced. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're back into Evernote now.